If you want to update those things, you have to update in the IAQ properties file. Tomcat Web Apps Identity IQ Webinar Classes. So we have IAQ property file. There you have to update. Okay. Is it clear, guys? So somewhere around we are going to update the threader over here in the IAQ properties file. After that, you have to restart your services. All worker thread will be updated. All worker thread will be. Number of worker thread will get increased. The same way if you are going to trigger. This worker thread is responsible for the task. The same way, the worker thread will be available for certification as well. I think for certification we have a different worker thread. So you can check from here, you can increase, decrease. It's up to the requirement. So at least you guys have an idea right from where we can check the worker thread availability and from where we can update. In the IAQ properties file we can update. Just you need to add one more line. For certification also, we have worker thread. I couldn't remember the name of the worker thread. So any other doubts? That's all about task, guys. So how we can create, how we can schedule, how we can monitor. So the moment you are going to restart your services, you know your server is not responding. Your memory usage, or CPU usage, is high. And you are about to restart your services. Let's say application services, Apache Tomcat. And it's not responding. In that scenario, what will you do? If you want, let me show the demo as well. Any idea? We can reinstall Java. No, oh my God, that's too much. No, we are not supposed to do that. Actually, I had this question in mind before. It's not about the because. Why do we need to restart Apache Tomcat? Because there could be a possibility. These are shared servers, right? On this Apache, there are many applications running. And if the SailPoint gets stuck, how can we? Restart many applications means it could be. Your system might be. You are running many applications in SailPoint. But when it comes to real-time project, we are going to suppose to run only one application. Only SailPoint. So on this server, on this Tomcat, they don't run any other application in production scenarios, is it right? Just it's supposed to run only SailPoint. Okay, now come to your point. In case, if Apache Tomcat service is stuck by itself, then it looks like to me restarting the server only. That's all. Okay, yeah. So you are about to restart your server services, and it's not responding. So in that scenario, what will you do? Because it create a message that in my project that is not working. Yeah, the only thing comes to my mind is like just go and check the event viewer if you can recognize the error. And then you'll have to restart your server. Let's do one thing. If I'm going to stop right now, I can do that because it's visible. The button is visible, right? stop button. But yesterday the no start, no stop. When I'm going on, all click, nothing is visible. All are grayed out. I couldn't do anything. So my subordinate couldn't do anything on that. So in that scenario, what will you do? You understand, Bartish, what I'm asking, what I'm saying? Yeah. No, actually sometimes what happens if the Java version gets updated automatically. That is also a chance that the server will not be working. So that is why we'll be reinstalling. Just click on Install in Java, and it will be working fine. Yeah, but in real-time project we are not supposed to do those. But even Bartish, I mean. Java installation is independent of the StormKit actually. So if you're doing anything with the Java thing, it can screw up many things. So application server won't respond. So in the installation class we have seen right. First we will install the JVM virtual machine. After that, the same path will be used by that application server. The moment we are going to install, it will pitch automatically. Do you remember Bartish? Yes. It's responsible for that, so we won't do that. It's not a right way. So whenever application server is not responding. So I think I didn't get a chance. How can I do that? In properties, you'll get some options saying that you want to know. Advanced search. You'll get some options. No, you should go to this PC and do start, stop, pause, resume. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, Bartish. No, go ahead. Okay. Now what I'm saying is in the service status. As of now it's running. But yesterday what happened? No, nothing is visible. It's all grayed out. I couldn't click on anything. And it's a production server. So in that scenario, what we can do? Any idea? No, what comes to my mind is only because it looks like It's quite simple. That's the reason I'm asking. Yeah. Yeah, Vinay, go ahead. Okay, then go ahead. What comes to my mind is like we won't be able to do right in real-time process. We need to kill the process ID. That's it. Okay, and we can restart again. As of now, the issue is, I'm not able to restart. I'm not able to access anything. I'm not able to do anything. In that scenario, what usually we'll do? Open Task Manager. Try to find the process ID for this services. Okay. So I have taken a screenshot as well, so that I can show to you. Let me open that. Is the screenshot is visible? Yeah, makes sense. Actually, we can kill the process running the service here. Same we can do. It's as good as. This is stopping. But here the Tomcat 8 service could not be stopped. So in that scenario, what usually we'll do? Stop. Okay. Because yesterday also people were discussing, we need to pre-install, we need to uninstall. So that's the reason I'm saying it's not the right way, we are not supposed to do it. We create a mess.